Hi, my name is Felipe. I am studying industrial engineering at College of SIC. I have been studying this program for 3 years. Industrial engineering is a science which improves equipment, information and people. Also, in this program we care about employees' health. That's why the government created a commission about the standards, the quality, the health and the job security. So I'm gonna show you this website which is related to my field of study. This website is called CNESST. So we go to the address bar and we tap CNESST. We click and we are in the website. This is the French version. So as you can see, we have the standards, the quality, the health and the security. So if we go in the bottom of the website, we can see the telephone number to contact them. Also we have the address right here if you want to communicate with them. We have here the news. So after the main objectives of this website are the favor family work study balance, particularly by improving certain leaves, by upgrade the protections granted to co-workers who only have the labor standards regime to govern their working conditions, and to adapt the act to the new realities of the labor market. So if a worker doesn't know his rights, he can refer to this website. So I'm gonna show you 2 examples. So the first one are the rights and obligations, or only the rights. Click. Here we go. So there is search that the website is rights. So if you go down and we click in the address bar, we can see of the top corner the English version. We can see the rights and the obligations, so the workers' rights, like to enjoy working conditions that preserve your health and safety at work. There is the main right to a co-worker and a worker. Also we have also the employer's rights to receive training and obtain information on occupational health and safety.